eastern Jessamine County. This is heading out through Raven Run over toward Athens. You're in a lot of farms out here, but it's also a lot of rolling country out here. So as you descend down the hills into the creek valleys, many of those may be running very high at this point or in flood. And as we always tell you, never drive across a flooded road. And that continues then into the eastern part of Jessamine County, not quite to Valley View. That's until 7:45 tonight. Reason why, when you look at the rainfall accumulation, this is the estimation that has come in. Southeastern Fayette County, about 1.5 inches, according to the radar, up toward Athens, about 1.5 inches as well. The thing is, our flash flood guidance, that's again taking into account how much rain has fallen, where our creeks are. Our flash flood guidance is about 1 inch of rain, less than 1 inch of rain in an hour could lead to some problems, and we've already been seeing that. So you expand it out onto the MaxTrack Live Doppler here. There is the corridor of heavy rain now. It has pushed off a little bit more to the east for us. And with that, again, we already looked at those numbers, bring it back out there for you. Winchester down to Richmond, that's the corridor of what is just a torrential downpour. Just went by Boonesboro there, so again, right at the Clark-Madison County line along the river. Right now, Fayette County, we've dried things out. We've seen about 90-some lightning strikes within that area, and that has been on the increase as this storm really has fired up. You see it moving off to the east. Now, at least it's got movement to it. It's not sitting over one spot. But the thing is, the rainfall is so intense that we do run into problems. And in fact, we're seeing the areas in the purple. That's where we're pushing about 4 inches of rain in an hour. That is a torrential downpour. North end of that line extends all the way up into Robertson and Nicholas County, just went through Cynthiana. Now we have new thunderstorms developing back in Anderson, then going out along the Bluegrass Parkway. With these, the movement is going to be from southwest to northeast, so we're going to watch rain on the increase again for us. With that in mind, there is an excessive rain threat that covers a good chunk of central and eastern Kentucky through the night tonight. So all in all, we're another round or two of rain. Some of that will be heavy with thunderstorms mixed in. Late week, we start to dry out. Weekend for the Cats shaping up nicely. We've been talking about just how much water's come down. So far today, Bluegrass Airport just under, well, for the month so far, we're just under 10 inches of rain. We've picked up a little bit better than 1/10 of an inch officially today. Other rain gauges have had a whole lot more. We've just had a whole lot of rain this month. And if we get to double-digit rain amounts, we needed a couple of 1/10 of an inch to do that. It's only happened 24 times in all of our record keeping. It's never happened twice in the same year. We did it back in February of this year, so this is some real interesting stuff, and there's plenty more rain out there. So we continue through this evening, went through this morning. There's that batch of rain going through Indiana, but watch out in western Kentucky how that rain begins to assemble, and it is coming east. The cold front's still all the way back here in Illinois, so until it gets through, the threat for rain will be lingering, and some of that rain will be locally heavy. So for tonight, flash flood watch continues. Area-wide, rain and thunderstorms, some of them will be heavy. You're looking at temperatures holding steady in the upper 60s. It's mid-70s tomorrow. Rain and thunderstorms will be coming to an end. Maybe a little late-day sun. By Thursday, we should be drying out. Temperatures near 70. Getting into the weekend, mid-70s.
Remember when September used to be a nice, dry, warm, sunny month, Bill?
I vaguely remember stuff like that. It has not been the case this year.
It's been crazy, hasn't it?
I saw a little sunshine today.
Yeah, there was a little break.
Yeah, in between, which led to the big
fired
storm.
up
Very
this,
nice,
yeah.
yeah. Oh, well. Thanks, Bill.